Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers, I am Usma Shah in Shah Grammar with lesson number 1 part C. Basic English knowledge. Today our topic is prefix and suffix. There is a list of words: doer, undo, redo, doing. Each word has different meaning. But what is it? There is a repetition of do in each word. It isn't some confusing? A person could be confused, but you should not. We made this video for you to make you understand why do is coming in each word. Please watch complete video so you will be able to understand that it is very easy. Prefix and suffix. Yeah guys, in our last video we have learnt about word in detail. This topic is regarding extension or modification of word. Actually some words can be changed and some cannot be. So today we will learn regarding changeable words, that how these words change in new words by the help of prefix and suffix. Let's see its definition. Words can be extended or modified in new words by prefix or suffix. It means words with the help of prefix or suffix can be modified or extended and changed in new words with new or different meanings, such as verb is changed into noun or adjective, noun can be changed into verb, adjective, etc. One important thing, that the word which is changed by the help of prefix or suffix is our actual or base word. It is called root word. Now see the examples. Guys, if we have our root word is happy. Happy means be happy. So we will see that how many words can be formed by happy. There are few examples. If we add un before happy, it will become unhappy. Unhappy has totally opposite meaning of happy. It means not happy. So let's see, if we add ly at the end of happy, it will become happily. Happily means happy manners. Now see, if we add ness at the end of happy, it will become happiness. It is a new and different word, happiness. Happiness means a state of being happy. So guys, we saw that with the help of prefix and suffix, different words formed with different meanings. Prefix. Let's see its definition. A prefix is a group of letters placed before the root word. So what is prefix? Prefix is a group of letters. If we place it before root word, it will give a new word with different meaning. One important thing I would like to share with you guys, that around 60 to 70% words that are formed by prefix have opposite meaning. Now see, if we add prefix to a root word, it will give a new word. You will better understand with the help of examples. If we have prefix d, d means opposite, reverse, and we have root word value. Value means price, worth. So if we add d before value, what will be the next word? D value. D value will be our new word, and it has opposite meaning of value. It means devalue, valueless, priceless, worthless. So guys, come to the next example. Dis, dis. Dis means opposite, reverse, and root word is like. Like means similar. So if we add dis before like, what will be the new word? New word will be dislike. Dislike means not similar, has opposite meaning of like. Now come to the next example. If we have prefix im, im means not, and our root word is possible. Possible means practicable, easy. So what will be the next word? New word. If we add im before possible, it will be impossible. Impossible means not possible, not easy. So guys, you saw that many words created with the help of prefixes, and they have maximum have opposite meaning of root words. Now prefix is clear now. Suffix. Suffix is a group of letters placed after the root word. So what is suffix? Suffix is a group of letters. If we place it after the root word, it will give a new word with different meaning. So guys, suffix is opposite of prefix. In case of prefix, a group of letters is placed before root word, and in suffix, a group of letters is placed after root word. Let's see. A suffix is placed after root word, so a new word is created. You can better understand with the help of examples. If our root word is value, value means price, worth, and if our suffix is less, Less means free from, devoid of. So if we add less after value, what will be our new word? Valueless. Valueless will be our new word, and it has different meaning as compared to root word value. Valueless means priceless. Next example, beauty. Beauty means excellence in the features. If we add suffix full after beauty, what will be the new word? Beautiful. Beautiful means delighting the eyes. Now come to the next example, act. Act means process of doing. If we add ing as a suffix after act, it will become acting. Acting means act of performing. So guys, you saw that new words created with the help of suffix and having different meanings as compared to root words. So suffix is clear now. Prefixes. These are the group of letters which are used as a prefixes, such as dis, im, mis, mis, re, re, etc. So these are the group of letters. When these group of letters are attached before root word, so it will be converted into new words with different meanings. And let's see, there are the group of letters used as a suffixes, such as able, ful, full, ing, ly, li. So when these group of letters are attached before after root word, so it will be converted into new word with different meaning. Here are a few examples. When we taken re as a prefix, and dash is showing that it will be attached before root word, and root word is our play. So when re is attached before play, so it will be converted into replay. Replay has different meaning as compared to root word play. Here is second example, when play is our root word and er is suffix, and dash is showing that er will be attached after root word play. So when er attached after play, so it will be converted into player. So verb is converted into noun. I think prefixes and suffixes are more clear now. Yeah guys, there are many words which have prefixes and suffixes both. These words are slightly lengthy, such as prefix is added before root word and then a suffix is added after this word, so it will be converted into a new word. So let's see their examples. If our prefix is dis and our root word is agree, so if we add dis before agree, it will become disagree, and if we add a suffix ment after disagree, so it will be converted into a new word. And what will be the new word? Disagreement. Yes, disagreement. So disagreement has entirely different meaning as compared to its root word agree. Now come to the next example. If our prefix is miss and our root word is behave, so what will be the next word? Misbehave. And if we add suffix after iur after this word, so it will be converted into a new word, misbehavior. And misbehavior has different meaning as compared to its root word behave. See next example. If our prefix is un, and if we root word is conscious and we add before conscious un, it will become unconscious. And if we add any double s-ness as a suffix unconscious after unconscious, so it will become unconsciousness. Conscious means in the senses and unconscious means without senses. So it has entirely different meaning as compared to conscious. There are many words imperfectly, misarrangement. So guys, it is clear now. Yeah guys, we are sharing a list with you. These are the examples of prefixes, that how the root words converted into new words after adding prefixes, such as agree converted into disagree, proper converted into improper. So please read this carefully, memorize it and make your own list. And this list is regarding examples of suffixes. So these are the root words which converted after adding suffixes. Comfort converted into comfortable, thank converted into thankful, show converted into showing. So please read it carefully, try to understand it and make your own list. Yes guys, if you have any query and question, so please contact us on our Facebook page Shah Grammar, and email ID uzmashahw@gmail.com. Yeah guys, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so you will receive new videos. Like our videos, If you have any comment, please comment and share with your friends. Thank you.